Do you want the coolest Dodge in town? I mean, the coolest. The dually club cab? Oh, baby, with the 440 big block? This is it. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today is the interior and test drive video of this 1976 Dodge D30 or 300 club cab. Now, test drive will definitely be a start. I'm going to take it. God, the truck runs. I might take it around the parking lot or something, show you it engages. I've drove it around. I just hate to get... This ain't the kind of thing you can just jump in and drive to Florida or something. I mean, it's not been ran in a long time. In fact, it ain't had tags on it since '91. Thing fires up and runs like a dream. We've done a little tune-up-y type stuff, and it's definitely a good running truck. 440 V8. I was told one owner, but I don't know on that, man. It was a barn find, and actually we had to get the title work. Took a while to get everything all in order because it was just kind of a barn find that been left outside and just not cared about for years, and been in the barn and then outside when we got it. It's been outside here for the past year almost. I've fighting to get the thing going for 6 months, I think. But truck came from Ventura County up there, and it's a California truck, man. It's nice, clean. It is a clean rig. We got patina here and there. I figured I always take actually a video in the evening time like this of the body to where you can see exactly what you're looking at. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com, and you can see 60, 80 pictures of it on there. I just wanted you to see just how clean this thing is. And then we'll look at the seats and start it up right now and stuff like that, look under the hood. In fact, let's go under the hood first and be done with that. Sliding rear window. I don't know if it's factory on these things. It's not a Chrysler glass, I don't think. I guess most of the time was a added on thing on trucks this old, I believe. But not sure. Someone knows. Comment in the video below. I just want to interject to say that a Mopar was harmed during the filming of this video. This right here, man. Just going by the trailer and just a little bit of a swipe. Probably the worst thing in this truck. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. But now that ding and this little ding is in it with a slight little smudge to the grill, and this may be just a slight little hair, but I don't know if I was from before with this one or if I just didn't notice. Just throwing that in because that happened. It never happens around here, but it sure did happen. Make sure and subscribe. New videos every week. And I don't know what I just did there because I popped the hood. Everything's looking good. And look at this. All the old original Mopar stickers and everything. Some of them are faded away a bit. I don't know if that's original or not. Even on the motor. I mean, this thing is clean. Look at this. The inner rubber fender wells. Rubbery, cardboardy type of a material. Kind of like roofing, actually. Look at all the original bolting and everything. This thing is just clean as it gets, man. Not rusted through anywhere, nothing like that. Just a light patina like on the hood. That, of course, is how a chrome aftermarket air cleaner gets. But just look. Just beautiful. Look at even the... Oh, my God. For a Dodge, it's just amazing that this back... It's just so clean. It's so clean. This stuff is a little bit moved around over time, but it's still clean. New hoses here and there. New plug wire cap and rotors and all that. Coil is not new, but it came off something else and is a good one. So, man, what do you do with a truck like this? I tell you, what do you do? Look how clean this thing is! And just complete. You don't get that complete just all the time. But what do you do with a truck like this? Do you leave it like it is? These two are missing. I might have said all the factory decals. I didn't really mean that. I meant what you see. Because I don't know what all would have been. What do you do with a truck like this? Do you restore it? Or do you leave it all patinaed out and beautiful? God, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you know. You're the one buying it, so you better know. Look, he's got the extra lock thing there. Not factory for sure, I don't believe. Maybe they offered it. Why should I say that? I don't know if it's for sure. Okay, start with the door panels. Great condition. Pedals. Man, there ain't no wear on these pedals. There's just not. It's got trailer brakes added. Seats are tore up a little bit. I could take these out and have these redone so cheap. I think $250 to $400, somewhere in there, he'd do them for both. And I could easily have that done. It costs some money to run them down and my guy running around. Needs a carpet kit, though. Easy, cheap thing to do. Now, the dash in this truck, look at this. It's been covered up. This is absolutely gorgeous dash. I'm gonna have to take a picture of this side, man. Okay, got my picture. Like I say, dash is in great shape. I don't think that radio hole's been cut out. It's just factory, beautiful. It says 89,000 on it, and you know what? I honestly do believe that this truck has 89,000 miles. Here's this. It's a 76. There's all your stuff. There's another sticker on it. Here. Dodge, Fargo, Plymouth, DeSoto. Yeah, they were collecting stuff. I think they bought AMC and Jeep and all that after this. A couple holes in the dash. Screws have patinaed heads or whatever you want to say. I don't know if that's original. Wow, look at that. Couple lights on it, but the truck doesn't smell like smoke or nothing. Couple holes here. Let's see. Fan works. Heater on the thing worked. I'm pretty sure. Takes a pump or so. I didn't even warm this thing up, man. This thing runs amazingly. Yeah, I can hear the wiper motor moving, but the wipers are unhooked. So I'm guaranteed most likely they had the wipers off for body work and then didn't follow through. And so they, yeah. I'm gonna show you this right now. The truck needs work on the brakes. But I'll tell you, the brakes ain't that bad. The truck runs. I might just run it around the lot for you here. It's just Friday night. Lots of people around. Don't want to break down in the middle of everywhere. Sounds like it's got an RV cam or something in it, man. It's pretty nice. Tiny exhaust leak I can hear. I'm going to restart it. I hear a little bit of a tiny exhaust leak, kind of right back here somewhere. Maybe it's not an exhaust leak, I don't know. Maybe it's just the way this raspy muffler system sounds. Look at the roof. Beautiful. All these still swing down, and this piece isn't broken. We didn't clean these up, unfortunately. Wind mirror is kind of discolored over time. There's a crack right there. Just seen that. This interior liner piece may need to be. Wow, I bet you them are aftermarket already. Look at this. No cracks in this whole foam piece at all, anywhere. When I say no cracks in the dash, there's no cracks in there. That's amazing. I think there is one in the glove box lid, though, that I was noticing. Don't know what that was, but it's there. Actually, there's still a screw in the other one. All this chrome trim and stuff here. You got holes for the mirrors and such. The lenses are discolored, and this end of this one is broken off. I mean, these clearance lights are the coolest, but they are a little weathered. So, beautiful truck. I'll show you the other side. And I might just bring them cars out of here and take this thing around the block. Or around the parking lot, at least. Make sure the brakes work a little bit before I do that. These are chewed up a little bit just over time. They're just dry and brittle. It's still there, pretty much. I mean, it's amazing how clean it is. Holes here. I don't know what they were from. But they're there. Tarp is tore up, like I showed you. Console. Is this original to this truck? Please comment. Somebody knows. Seems like this is an original setup, although I'm not sure. Just not. I shouldn't have dropped that so hard. Iron lid, man. Is it an iron lid? I don't know. It's weird. It's good. This is factory, right? The 2x4s? Yeah, right. So they've got this all anchored in here. You might want to take it out. You might want to keep it in. I don't know. Okay. So, carpet. This part's metal. There's your crack in this piece, but not in the dash. This opens up beautifully. Man, it's so clean for the age. You just don't see a truck of this era in this shape. Chevy, Ford, or Dodge. It's just rare to find. Here's the underneath of the seats to where you can maybe tell if it, man, I better check this out. There could be like $1,000 bills in there or something. So boy, was a Maybe he was a pack rat or something. Kept stuff. Okay, so doors closed nice. This truck is clean. It's about as clean as it gets. That's your interior. That's all that. I ain't scared. I'm taking this thing around the stink. It's my parking lot. I pay rent. It's private property. This here's ours. We're gonna take it out and go around the parking lot. The brakes are good, and oh man, it starts so nice. Wow, wow. Okay, I got it out here, and we're going for a test drive. That's what we're doing. So, I'm only gonna go around the parking lot. This is a nice truck. Okay, let's get this thing in the right gear. Do it to it. Like I said, the brakes work, but they are not the ready to go ones. Now there's a little bit of slipping in the tranny there. When you try to go 100%, it could be a little low on fluid. Like I say, it hasn't been driven in so long. That's just something that I don't really know. Trannies are cheap enough in this year of a truck for sure. So that's your test drive. It's not as long of a test drive as usual, but that's your test drive. Okay, so that was your test drive. So if you're interested, give me a call, Nathan, 406-546-8748, oneownercarguy, oneownercarguy.com. I'm gonna kind of wrap this up and then I will do it to it. I'm gonna put this all together, make sure and check it out, and call me if you're interested. Buy this truck, it's not gonna last, and not only that, it's cool. Thanks for watching, have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, oneownercarguy.com.